now we are going to Romania. We're about to board. Friends, see you in Romania.
Okay.
Hello, boss and Davis. Today, I came to the factory in Romania. This is a factory for Tombstone. The person next to me is the boss of a beautiful woman. Her name is Jasmine. Now, she will introduce her factory to everyone.
Bună ziua! În primul rând vreau să vă mulțumesc pentru aceste utilaje, atât eu cât și soțul meu. Noi suntem o firmă care se ocupă cu prelucrarea monumentelor funerare, cu prelucrarea pietrei și am cumpărat de la dumneavoastră un utilaj pentru tăiere, de polișare și pentru gravarea și prelucrarea materialelor. Vă mulțumim frumos și welcome to Romania!
Yeah. Later, I will take the camera to go to his factory together to see his production process and the craftsmanship. Then our camera follows me. Let's go. There are 3 of our machines behind me. Today, I'm here to provide after-sales installation service. Let's take a look at the camera. The processing effect after installation. The machine that is working here is a carving machine. You can see that this is a mold. Friends, come here. Let's take a closer look with our camera. Let's take a look. Just made a tombstone carving effect. The carving effect of a tombstone. There is also a pattern. The whole granite is polished with black, which is very bright, and the brightness is very high. If you are interested in the cemetery industry or consult about machinery, you can find Davis. We see this one behind me. There is an edge polishing machine with 12 grinding heads. It can mainly make a quarter circle and have circle shapes, and can also make some irregular edges. Let me show you the details.
Poți să oprești.
Is it okay?
It's okay. I think it's okay.
Finally, here is
infrared, a 4+1 cutting machine.
there is also a camera function. There is a saw blade and a suction cup. This one is mainly for granite cutting and profiling, and a knife washer. It has an independent knife washer. This machine can, as you can see, it also adopts a CNC system control. The operation is very simple and can realize complex processes, such as this are hexagonal corners and various shapes of cabinets. It can also make some complex CAD graphics. As long as you have the graph, it can help you realize its processing